Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to cover how to solve inequalities. So let's start with example. You can see here x minus 2 is greater than 4. But what should we do to solve this kind of example? What should we do to solve inequalities? To solve inequalities, we need to isolate the x. This is the first step. But how can we isolate the x? To isolate the x, we need to use reverse operation. But what is this? Let me explain it more. X minus 2 is greater than 4. Here we can see subtraction. But what is the reverse of subtraction? Right, addition. It is enough we use addition to solve this inequality. X minus 2, I can write here plus 2 and plus 2. Do not forget, if you add 2 to the left side, you need to add 2 to the right side. What's the result? It's gonna be negative 2, positive 2. Cancel out x, left side, 4 plus 2 equals 6. And this is your answer. Very simple solution. Next one. X plus 2 is less than or equals 8. What should we do? Isolate the x. What should we do for this? X plus 2. You can see here addition. What is the reverse operation of addition? Subtraction. Plus 2 minus 2. But both sides. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. Left side, it's gonna be x. Right side, x minus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. And the result, x is less than or equal 6. And this is our solution. Next example. 2x is less than or equal 12. For this case, what should we do? What can we see here? 2 times x. You can see here multiplication. What is the reverse of multiplication? Right, division. It is enough we use division. 2x. 2 times x. Just use division, divide by 2, but both sides. 2x divide by 2, 12 divide by 2. These two cancel out. Left side we have x. Right side 12 divide by 2 equals 6. And this is your solution. And last example, x over 4 is greater than or equals 2. What can you see here? Division. X divided by 4. What is the reverse operation of division? Right, multiplication. X over 4 times 4. Just multiply both sides by 4. This 4 and this 4 cancel out. Left side, it's gonna be x. X is greater than or equal. Right side, 2 times 4 equals 8. X is greater than or equal to 8. And this is our solution. This is a very simple way to solve inequalities. Have fun.